Hey y'all, happy Thanksgiving. Today I'm doing a what I'm doing today video, not a how to cook video. It's Thanksgiving, so you know it's turkey, right? Today I'm running some FoGo charcoal in the 22-inch Weber Smoky Mountain. Gonna run a dry water pan with foil on the inside. Gonna put a drip pan on the lower rack. And I'm gonna spatchcock this turkey by cutting the backbone out, laying it flat, which I marinated already for 24 hours in Stephen Raichlen's double whiskey smoked turkey recipe. I'm gonna spray it with some olive oil. Gonna use some PloyBoys Yard Bird rub just for some color. Gonna put a couple pads of butter underneath the skin at the breast, and I'm aiming for a pit temp around 325. Once I get the right color I'm looking for, I'm gonna spray it with some olive oil, drip some butter on it, cover it loosely with some foil, and finish this thing off somewhere close to 157 degrees internal in the breast. When it's done, we're gonna pull it, we're gonna slice it, we're gonna enjoy it, and have a happy Thanksgiving. Let me just say this, it's been a tough year. 2020 has been something that a lot of us want to forget. But, you know, no matter if you're on the right or the left, you're Eastern or Lexington, this is still the greatest country in the world. There's a lot to be thankful for. Y'all take care, God bless. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Peace.